A federal high court in Abia State has adjourned the human rights suit filed on behalf of the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, against the federal government to November 19th. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories now. At number 10, former governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria and governorship candidate of the All Progressives Grand Alliance in Anambra State, Charles Soludo, has said that the insecurity in the southeast state is politically motivated. Soludo, who stated this during a political debate in Awka on Monday, said part of the recent upsurge in insecurity in Anambra is politically motivated. There are some persons who think that they will gain political advantage by creating a sense of fear and insecurity so that you would have voters' suppression. The debate, which was organized by Arise News, featured two other candidates, Andy Uba of the All Progressives Congress and Valentine Ozigbo of the People's Democratic Party. At number 9, Jeff Bezos, American billionaire and founder of Amazon, has showered praises on President Muhammadu Buhari for his leadership role in restoring degraded lands in Nigeria. Bezos described the commitment to restore 4 million hectares as exemplary. The Amazon boss said this on Monday in Glasgow, Scotland, when he joined President Buhari, French President Emmanuel Macron, Prince Charles and the Mauritanian President Mohamed Ghazouani at a COP26 site event entitled Accelerating Land Restoration in Africa, the Case of the Great Green Wall Initiative. This was contained in a statement released by the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu, titled In Glasgow, American billionaire Jeff Bezos hails President Buhari's climate change actions. At number 8, operatives of the Nigeria Police Force in Rivers State have arrested some persons allegedly involved in the manufacturing of fake drinks in the state. The State Police Public Relations Officer, Nnamdi Omoni, disclosed this in a statement on Monday, saying the suspects were arrested in an operation by a unit of the force. According to him, the two suspects were picked at Eligbolo Road, Obiakpo local government area of the state, adding that several manufactured fake drinks were recovered from the suspects. Omoni said the suspects have made useful confessions and would be charged to court as soon as investigations were concluded. At number 7, the Federal High Court Abuja has ordered the federal government to pay $1.6 billion oil revenue to the Delta State government. The judge, Uwazoke Okorowo, gave the order on Monday, directing the federal government to pay the money as a 13% derivative sum due as arrears of revenue payable to the oil-rich Delta government. Delta State government had anchored its case on a 2018 verdict of the Supreme Court, ordering the federal government to recover all revenues lost to oil exploring and exploiting companies due to wrong profit-sharing formula termed as the production sharing contracts since August 2003. At number 6, Tottenham Football Club has appointed former Chelsea boss Antonio Conte as its new manager. The 52-year-old Conte, who coached Inter Milan, was appointed on Tuesday. This is coming about 24 hours after Nuno Espirito Santo was sacked by the club. Santo was sacked on Monday following Spurs' 3-0 defeat to Manchester United. It was gathered that after the sack, Tottenham's chairman Daniel Levy and managing director Fabio Paratici held talks with Conte. At number 5, the House of Representatives has said there will be no budgetary allocation to the Nigeria Sovereign Wealth Fund from Federation accounts for the 2022 fiscal year. The chairman of the House Committee on Finance, James Faleke, made this known at the budget defense of the Ministry of Finance and its agencies on Tuesday. Faleke said the agency has failed to present its budget to the Parliament for consideration since it was created. He added that the House will write to the Office of the Accountant General of the Federation to ensure that no money is disbursed to the agency in the 2022 budget since nothing has been approved for them by the Parliament. At number 4, Northern youths under the aegis of AREWA youths have expressed support for the Chief Whip of the Senate, Senator ORJI KALU, to become the next president of the country come 2023. The group made its position known in a statement released on Tuesday in Abuja and jointly signed by the National Coordinator, Yakubu Mohammed, Acting Secretary General Abdul Kadir Mohammed, National Organizing Secretary Ibrahim Abdullahi, and the Director of Media and Publicity, Musa Waziri. The group described KALU as the best presidential material for the 2023 general election. It also urged the ruling All Progressives Congress to commence a process of adopting him as the sole candidate of the party. At number 3, the UN Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization have said no fewer than 62 journalists were killed just for doing their jobs in 2020. UNESCO said between 2006 and 2020, over 1,200 professionals lost their lives the same way, and in 9 out of 10 cases, the killers go unpunished. In a message on Tuesday, the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres noted that many journalists had lost their lives while covering conflict, but the number of media workers killed outside conflict zones has risen in recent times. Guterres said in many countries, simply investigating corruption, trafficking, human rights violations, or environmental issues puts journalists' lives at risk. At number 2, the People's Redemption Party will hold its national convention on December 11, 2021. The party's National Organizing Secretary, Sule Kankara, announced this in Katsina on Tuesday while speaking with newsmen. He said arrangements have been concluded for the convention and that the party had informed the Independent National Electoral Commission, security agencies and other stakeholders on the decision to hold the convention. Finally, at number 1, a federal high court in Abia State has adjourned the human rights suit filed on behalf of the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, against the federal government to November 19th. KANU'S lead counsel, Aloy Ejimako, disclosed this on Tuesday. The IPOB leader, through his lawyers, had filed a lawsuit against the Nigerian government and the Attorney General of the Federation, Abubakar Malami, over Nnamdi Kanu's extradition, detention and alleged maltreatment by security operatives. The court had earlier fixed November 2, 2021 for hearing, but speaking on Tuesday, Ejimako said the suit had been adjourned. Always remember to wear your mask, wash your hands and stay safe. That's all for today. See you next time on What's Happening.